Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today Friday, we are very near to the budget day, February 1st. So today I will show you the live proof how my scanner is working, how it will work, and everything I will show you. I will show you last 2 days which will trigger. So today we got, as per the scanner. So when the situation comes, then only we have to trade. So as per the scanner, we got 150 points plus in Nifty. So you traded only Nifty. So we can identify which one is weaker and which one is stronger uh, in the market. In between Nifty and Bank Nifty, I'm telling you. So I will show you. So how it will work with the live proof or with my live scanner. I will show you. Yes, friends. So this is the charting platform. So in this backtest status, here you can see, you can highlight this one, this one. This is a backtested history. So we have to give parameters. According to that parameter, charting will give you real-time alert. For real-time alert, you have to pay monthly 8,000 rupees. No, not 8,000, 800 rupees per month. So we have to input my conditions, our parameters, our filters. So according to that we will receive the alerts through message and through email. Okay, so I will download this file. This is a bearish scan, Nifty and Bank Nifty bearish scan. Yeah, so this is Nifty and Bank Nifty bearish scan. So in this we got 29, 9:30 and 10:15 and 11:30 and 2:30. So we got four signals which is sell in this day. Okay, so we will see in the chart how it will work, and we will see whatever 25th. See, yeah, 25th 1:30 Bank Nifty and 11:15 Bank Nifty and 1:30 Bank Nifty. So we will see that also, and we will see 29th four signals. We got four signals. Okay, I will take the screenshot. So 29th 9:30, 10:50, 11:30 and 2:30. So four times it is giving a sell signal, and what happened in the market we will see, and we will see also 25th 11:15 and 1:30 trade. So it will give you with the timings also. There is no editing, there is no nothing is there. So everything is in a transparency. See, so this is, so morning 9:30 it is giving the signal. So the opening price is 13,924. We have to give previous, this is the previous candle. So previous candle high is our stop loss. Okay, our current candle high is if that is very more. So in the morning cases we have to give current candle high is our stop loss. So opening price is 30,924. So this is the first signal we got, and second signal we got at 11:15 as I show in that. So in this also market came down, and 12:30 also came. So finally 2:30 also we got a signal. So from 2:30 it made low 13,671. So how much point we got from opening to 13,924 to here? Almost all 200 points. So in this we can catch 150 points. So we catched more than 150 plus points. Okay, so everybody those who have any doubts regarding this course demo, so I will give you one video description. You please watch that video description, and after that decide. In that video I showed my backtested results, and we will see 25th trade. I will download it again. I have a scan for bullish also. So this is 25th trade. In this week we got only two trades for sell side. 25th 11:30 and 1:30. Okay, we will see in the Bank Nifty 11:30 and 1:30. 25th. In this trade we got 1130. Okay, so 31,680, and after that 130, 31,600 something, and finally it made the 31,000. So nearly 500 points we got in 25th trade. So and today we got 150 trade, 150 plus points in Nifty, and in 25th we got more than 500 plus points in Bank Nifty. So this is the proof, guys. So if you want to check 4 months or 6 months backtested data, I will give you in the description video. The link I will give you in the description. So you can check the backtested data last 4 months or last 3 months. In that I will share with the stock also in that video. So you please watch that. If anybody can if you anybody interested, you please message me. I will teach you the strategy manually, as well as I will give you the parameters. You can set it in the charting. So the best part of this strategy is you can deploy in algo trading also, you can coding also this strategy, and you can backtest it also, and you can trade algo trading also, and you can trade in manually also. So everything is fine. So I will show you my backtested report in this video description. I will give you in the link. You please watch that and let me know if you anybody interested. I will give you WhatsApp number in the description. Ping me if you interested. Thank you.